What's up everyone, hopefully you guys are doing great, and in this video I'm gonna go down the Marr Ranch Road. I'm connecting it towards the Rattlesnake Trail. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and hopefully some of you will check this trail out for yourself. And it should be a good time, let's go. Woohoo, yeah! So I pretty much used a straight and narrow trail to come up here, and that's exactly what it sounds like. It's straight and it's narrow as hell. You can't ride it, it's impossible. You pretty much have to hike the bike, I would say 90% of the time to get up here. But I could have taken the Marr Ranch Road, but Trailfork said it was only downhill, so that's why I took the straight and narrow path. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, so much overgrown plants everywhere, yeah. And everything overgrown. I always wondered how everything can get overgrown in hot weather like this. Thought it would be the opposite, everything just gets annihilated. This is so loose, look at this. I need some traction. Oh my god. This is crazy. Get no traction here. Technically Marr Ranch Road is parallel to this part, so it's right there. So, but this is the steeper part and it's really loose. Okay. I think I'm good. Really loose, look at this. Okay, now we're good. Yeah. Woohoo! Feels good with the breeze. Just some word of advice. If you guys are planning to ride the Marr Ranch or the Rattlesnake Trail, then I recommend you start from Las Lajas Canyon Trail and you park on the same side as the entrance. Don't park on the opposite side because there's a no parking at any time sign on that side. So instead, you park on the same side where the entrance is, even though there's a lot of people that still parked on that side. Just letting you guys know to save you a couple $100. Still going down Marr Ranch Road. Rattlesnake is supposed to be somewhere to the left here, but let's go. Really steep and loose everywhere. Oh, okay. Yeah. Don't let your front tire sink into any of this, otherwise you're gone. See what I mean? Oh wow. Yes. Okay. Hopefully I'm on the right path. It's all flow here. No technical sections at all. Yeah. Woohoo! Nice. Okay, look at this. Oh wow. Oh, look at this. This is amazing. So loose though. That went off course. Oh, there's no berms at all, so I'm gonna have to brake a little bit. This is roller coaster worthy. What the hell? This is interesting. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Oh my god. This is sick. wish I could keep my momentum, but everything's so loose here. Anyway, let's continue. Yes. Woohoo! I think it's branches off here, but I'm not sure. Let me check. Yep, we go straight. Let's continue here. Okay. I have to pump my way through. Okay. Ooh, wow, so cool. Amazing. Gotta pump my way through to get some speed. Of course, everything's overgrown. Oh, that's it. Okay, so I recommend this if you guys like a little bit of flow. You like a roller coaster type of feel, going sideways and then back around a couple times. But the uphill is a bit of a struggle to go up. So if you want a quick trail for that, then you come here. See you guys next time.